they just statues? I wish they were real horses.
They're real horses. Our neighbor has 3 horses. If we're lucky, they won't. All right.
Oh God!
Wait, you didn't close the back.
Oh.
We could have flown out.
I doubt you'll slide out, but you never know, right?
All right, let's continue with the tour. Quick.
Number 5, the woods.
Woo! What? Bumpy.
Yeah.
Skibbity bumpy.
Watch your heads. What? Oh yeah, watch your head.
Property is actually 1 acre of wood. And to my right, your left, we have a fire pit.
Fire pit.
Oh my god, watch your head. There's a branch right in front of you, bro. Go fast! Told you to go fast! Watch your head and go. Oh my god! Watch your head. Willow, watch your head.
I'm trying to see where there's less snow here.
I got the branch in front of you. Woo!
Let's get it out of here.
Are we gonna go?
I think we're a little bit stuck.
Oh my god. So we're not gonna go over there?
Nope.
So we're not full of wood because I gave you that.
Aww.
That's all right.
Why would you go around?
Well, if there's too much snow here, then there's definitely too much snow. Go back to I didn't give you that. So
That's all right.
5 and 6.
Aww.
6, 7.
The green? Oh, great.
Oh. Whee! Can I get a weave?
To your right is where the sheep will be. Once the fence is done.
That's where the sheep will be. Yay!
Why won't you go through there?
Too much snow, twin.
No, this brother,
You
no.
have the pond.
No, like between the gates.
Where's the pond at?
To your
Silver
left.
Acre Pond. What? Lock?
On the pond.
Hear you what?
What happens if you throw a rock at the pond?
No, we're not throwing a rock in the pond.
Because it's frozen.
But right here is where the pier would be. Normally we have a inflatable boat. We get on the boat and go around the pond.
Really? I wish we open it.
Yeah. Where are we? We're done.
It was gonna be twice as long, but if I get stuck that easy, I don't want to go back even farther because it gets
Okay,
worse.
Willow, you can slide out.
All right, tour's done. Bye.
Done.
Why don't we go play on a playground?
Yeah, we could, or we could just cruise around. Why is there snow on this? Oh, my butt is gonna get
The
wet.
problem is, of course, it's February.
Bye.